The Haeteir 2025 100-foot garden hose delivers a consistent, non-expanding water flow that feels far more controlled than typical stretchy hoses and makes it easy to manage around a yard of almost any size. Its construction uses reinforced polymer layers that feel rugged in hand and hold up well against abrasion on concrete or rough soil, giving it a durability closer to commercial-grade hoses without the usual bulk. Despite that toughness, the hose remains impressively light and flexible, so even children or older gardeners can drag it across the lawn, coil it, and store it without a struggle. The anti-kink design, with its guided internal structure, dramatically cuts down on twists and stoppages, so you spend more time watering and less time walking back to shake out tangles. It is engineered to handle both high water pressure and extreme temperatures, staying pliable in winter cold and summer heat, which makes it useful for tasks ranging from routine watering to washing vehicles or filling hot tubs. Because the hose materials are lead-free and designed for long-term outdoor exposure, it is a safer and more reliable option for households that want a hose they can leave connected and ready to use all season long.